I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the Neo 8. Let's start off with the battery. It has a 48 volt battery, 13 amps. Speed wise, it can do about 25 miles per hour, I would say, about 40 kilometers. Distance wise, I would say it can do about 21 miles. I wouldn't push anyone, maybe a little bit less depending on how much weight you put on the scooter. The motor on a Neo 8 is a 500 watts motor. So it's quite strong for such a little machine. The weight of this Neo 8 is about 18 kilos and the max load on the scooter is 120. If you do want a stronger scooter, we do have other ones like the Neo 9, 10, 10X as well. The good thing about this scooter is got a solid back tire, so you will not be getting any punctures whatsoever on the back tire. The only chance you can get a puncture is in the front. It's got a great rear and front suspension as well to give you that little bounce when you're riding, especially when you're going over those speed bumps. The charging time for this Neo 8 is about 3 to 5 hours, I would say. You will be able to tell when your scooter is fully charged when the red light has gone to green, and then you will know it's fully charged and ready to ride. It's got a brilliant LCD screen. It has 3 settings, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest. And you can just change that about depending on how fast you would like to ride. It will tell you the battery life, how fast you're going. It can tell you, it's basically the brain of the scooter. It will tell you what's going with the scooter. If there's any problems, it will give you the alerts, and that way you just bring it back into the shop and we'll be able to help you.